Ever dreamed of turning your passion for gorgeous properties into a thriving career under the California sun? This is your express guide to becoming a licensed real estate agent in Orange County. First, you'll need to complete 135 hours of approved real estate education. This includes courses in real estate principles, real estate practice, and a third elective like real estate appraisal or property management. Choose a reputable California Department of Real Estate Pro school, either online or in person. Once you've finished your education, it's time to apply for the California Real Estate Salesperson exam. Head to the Department of Real Estate, or DRE, website, download the application, and pay the fee. Now, the most crucial step: exam preparation. Dedicate ample time to studying, utilize practice exams, and consider a prep course. The exam covers property ownership, valuation, finance, and legal aspects. On exam day, arrive early, stay calm, and read each question carefully. If you pass, congratulations. Next, you need to affiliate with a licensed California real estate broker. Interview with several brokers to find a good fit. Finally, complete your license application with the DRE through your sponsoring broker. Pay the final fee, and wait for your license to arrive. You're now ready to start your career as a realtor in the vibrant Orange County market. Good luck.